Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can delete your Facebook account from a browser or from a website. So right now I'm on the website version of Facebook on my PC. From here I need to click on my profile picture at the top right of the screen and click on settings and privacy. From inside here I need to click on settings again. Once I'm inside setting, I need to click on see more in account center at the left corner. From inside here what I need to do is scroll a bit down and click on personal details. From inside personal detail, I need to click on account ownership and control. From here, I need to choose deactivate or deletion. Then I need to choose my Facebook account. Once I choose my Facebook account, I need to choose delete account and click on continue. Once I do that, it's going to say all the Facebook pages linked with my account is also going to be deleted. If you're okay with that, click on continue and then choose the reason on why you're trying to delete your account. Click on continue. Again, click and continue again. And over here, if you want to download your information, you can download it. Because after you delete your account, you won't get it back. Click and continue. Now it's going to ask you to enter the password of your account. Enter the password of your account and click and continue. And your Facebook account will be deleted after 30 days. If you want to recover your account, you can recover it within the 30 days period by logging into your Facebook. If you don't want to recover, don't log in into your account, and after 30 days, it'll be deleted. That's how you guys can delete your Facebook account from a browser or from a website. Hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.